Good morning all. Now we are going to see about how to save a document. You can do it by going to the file over this document, and then you can click on the save button, or you can directly press Ctrl plus S from your keyboard and you can save the document. Now we'll see, we'll click on this file. Okay, you can click on this direct option also and you can save the document. Ctrl plus S is the other option, as well as you can go to this file, click on save, and then you can write the file name whatever you want to write. As I am writing as my first document, and you can click on the save button, and your document will be saved in the documents section over here, okay, in the documents library. And then you can press the save button that is given over here, click on it, you will press OK, and your document is saved by the name my first document. Now we'll see how to open and close the document that we have already saved. So for opening a document, we'll go to this again, to the file menu, and from that we can open it, right? Yes, from this file menu, click on this open and your document will get opened. From here, select my first document and then open. Your document that you have saved will get opened over here. From the libraries also you can go to the desktop and then my first document, because then I had saved it on my desktop, that's why it is there on desktop. For closing, you can directly press this close button, cross one, right? Other way to close this document is go to the file and then you can click on the close button and your file will get closed. Now see here, document 1 will be converted into my first document because we have saved it in that way, that's why. For making a new document, you can click on new, click on the blank document and then create, and in this way you can make a new document. See, this is document 3, that means we have made a new document. It is a blank document. You can work over here in the workspace. Now you can see in this, you can go to this office button and then from over here you can click on the new button also to open a new document, okay, and close and open, many options are there. Now we want to print a document, so we will click on this print option, okay. This particular document we want it to be printed. Now you will get so many options over here for printing a document. First of all, you will select the name of the printer which is connected to it. Here it is already selected as sent to OneNote 2007. Instead of that, we will select other printer, that is Microsoft XPS document writer, that we need to select because that is connected. We'll select that printer and then we'll move to the page range, means whether we want all pages to be printed or the current page in which the cursor is there, or we want the particular pages to be printed, that we can select from this page range, okay. All it is already selected. I can select the current page option also, that means where my cursor is present at present, that page will only get printed, and I can give the page numbers that I want these particular pages we want to be printed. Let's give 10 to 15, okay, 10 to 15 pages, and here we can select the number of copies, okay. 8, 7, 5, how many copies we want for these pages to be printed, that many copies we can select, and at the end we can click on OK button and that particular pages will get printed. Yes, these are pages per sheet, means in one sheet how many pages there are there. We want the page size in letter mode, scaling mode, whatever, means size of your page should be there, that we can select, okay. There is one more thing about the page orientation that we'll be seeing later. So after this we can click on OK and our pages will get printed. Now see, this is the orientation, portrait orientation as well as the landscape orientation, right? At present I'm showing you the portrait orientation. This page is also in the portrait method. See, this is in a portrait orientation way. Okay, there is a landscape orientation also, that also we can select. See, this now page is in the landscape orientation mode. After this we can click on the print option, and then our page will get printed in that particular orientation. So that's all for today. Thank you.